Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to make this kind of heater. So this heater is really easy to make. All what you need is you need some conductive ink, some Kapton tape and some copper or aluminium tape. And that's all what you need in basic. So here I have some layer of Kapton tape, this one, and the sticky side of this Kapton tape is this. The sticky side is up. So onto this sticky side I will apply aluminium electrodes and also the conductive ink. First of all, what I will do is I will add this aluminium tape on this Kapton tape. So the aluminium electrodes you need to add a little bit in because you need some of this Kapton tape on each side. So I have here, I don't know, 2 centimeters of the distance. The same I will make with the another electrode. And now I will apply some of conductive ink. So in basic, don't apply the conductive ink here, and also here. Okay, and now I will dry. Okay, that's it. Let's check. And I get 4.4 ohms. And now the tricky part. Now you need to bend this side on the top. Not good. Oh shit. Okay, nice. Okay. And really easy made heater. Okay, right now I get 5.3 ohms, which is not bad. And here is a really easy made heater based on aluminum tape for the electrodes, some Kapton tape and conductive ink. Here I have this heater connected to my power supply. The temperature right now is 31 degrees C, and now I will turn on my power supply. The voltage which I use is 12 volts and 2.5 amps. Yeah, and I get 200 degrees C. So yeah, anyway. So guys, that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.